And this is why I love this product, because you can actually use your fingers to make sure you get all that cologne so none of it goes to waste. Everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Logan Rye, the tie guy, obviously without the tie. But today I am very excited because I recently partnered with a company called Walton Wood Farm, and they were kind enough to send me some products for me to show to my followers. Let's get right into it. Walton Wood Farm is a Canadian company founded by Leslie Bradford Scott and her husband Peter. Back in the day, Leslie and Peter started out by making products from their home, in their kitchen, mostly bath salts, and then they would go and sell them. Walton Wood Farm has evolved today. They have over 80 personal care products that they make and that you can buy off their website. Yes, that is right, 80 products that they make. And they all range from bath bombs to lip care to beard wash to the solid colognes. The products that actually stood out to me when I viewed their website was their line of men's solid colognes. I've never seen a solid cologne before. I've been so used to the spray forms, I've never seen it in a solid. And I wanted to learn more. I reached out to the company and they were kind enough to send me a couple of men's solid colognes for me to show to you today. Alrighty, we're gonna jump into the colognes that they sent me. This one, the first one, is called Date Night. Solid cologne for men with a warm whiskey scent. Let's open this up. And there it is in the solid form. Like I mentioned earlier, it piqued my interest because I've never seen a cologne in a solid. And I did smell it off camera. And this one is the Date Night, which is a whiskey scent. And I'll tell you, I do get a whiskey smell from this. Now, just having a couple minutes with the product, I can already tell you that I love this solid form. Why? Well, because I can actually apply it with my fingers and I can make sure that I use the full amount to get the best bang for my buck. And I say this because when you have a spray cologne, for the most part, it's difficult to get the remaining liquid out of the container. Where I know is if I have the solid cologne and I'm using it, I can get every little last bit of it. Whereas with this, I might have to take the top off or find another way to get all the spray out of the container. The second cologne that they sent me is, of course, the Canadian. It is a maple, bark, and portage smell. Ooh, this one is good, I'll tell you that. Now, I have used both of these products, but I've used this one more. And it's not just because I am a Canadian. I enjoy the smell. And I'm sure if I was to go up to somebody, they too would think, hey, that's a Canadian. Just joking, but on a more serious note, all their solid colognes are alcohol, SLS, paraben, and dye-free. Why is this good? Well, if people, including myself, have sensitive skin, sometimes they can't put certain products on their body because they'll get irritated to it. Now, this is a positive because people, like myself, if they wanted to put on a product like this, they know that when they put it on, their skin won't get irritated. Alrighty, it's finally time to show you how to put this cologne on. Now, when you put on this cologne, you want to make sure that you're putting it on pulse points. Major pulse points for myself would be my wrists and on my neck. When you apply it on the pulse points, that smell will actually stay there longer. So all you have to do is sort of get a quantity, could be more, could be less. That's the benefit of the solid cologne. And then once you get some, you just put it on your pulse point, like so, and there you go. There's your cologne for today. You'll be smelling like a Canadian in no time. Again, these are just 2 colognes out of their collection. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link to Walton Wood Farm website in the description. Make sure you go check out their other solid colognes. Just like to thank everybody for watching the video and Walton Wood Farm for kindly sending me some of the men's solid colognes to feature in this video. Everybody, you know the holidays are fast approaching, and like I mentioned, on their website they got over 80 personal care products. Great gifts or stocking stuffers for friends, family, you name it, they got it. Go check out their link in the description. But anyways, I'd just like to thank you for watching the video, and we'll see you next time.